Hey guys, Retro Badger here. So in this video, we're going to put the amazing Enterprise G up against the Star Wars Venator class Star Destroyer. I'm intending to do this battle from both sides. In terms of predictions, I think they're both evenly matched, roughly, but there's only one way to find out really, so let's go for it. Okay, here we go. So obviously their cannons are something to watch out for, as they can overwhelm Federation shields pretty easily from what I've noticed. We are in the Enterprise G though, and we do have quantum torpedoes. Okay, so yep, as Breck says, our ventral shields are draining, as are our forward shields. Trying to target their shield generator, but not having much luck.
Shields are at 75%. Sir, they are draining our dorsal shield.
Okay, so we're making progress on their shields. That's good. I don't know how tough their hull is though.
75%.
Did they miss or no? They hit.
Shields are at 75%.
Gosh. Oh, there we go.
Draining their top shield.
I wonder if we can draw our name. Time for reverse Power Ranger mode.
Go, go, Power Rangers!
What the f? Oh man!
We're free!
Right, let's try that again and hope this time that the helm officers on each section aren't drunk. I'm not sure what happened then. Very strange. They crashed into each other. Makes you wonder if that ever actually happened in the Star Trek universe. You'd think there'd be all sorts of safety things built in, wouldn't you?
Port shield draining.
I'm going to try going for their engines this time, at the rear. And obviously most of their main weaponry is at the front. Oh yes, look at this, it's working. Change of tactics makes a difference. Wow.
Our ventral shields are draining, sir.
What's the difference? I can't believe that. Attack them from the rear. There we go, we got them! Shocked, to be honest. Wow, let's try that battle the other way around. It's amazing what a difference just changing your tactics can make. Okay, here we go. It's almost like their shields are weaker on the Enterprise G, but maybe their weaponry is a bit more powerful. Oh, I don't know though. Oh gosh, no, look at that! Wow! Oh man, yeah.
Hull integrity at 25%.
Their armor's not done much good, has it?
Hull integrity at 20%.
And they just stopped. Well, I think the escape pods are going to go boom as well. Yep, there we go. It wasn't intentional, I promise. Oh yeah, look, there. Wow, so there we have it. The Star Wars Venator class Star Destroyer is the more powerful ship, without a doubt. I mean, of course, I'm not saying this game is canon by any means, but in terms of the mods, this one won. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.